Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. How to live trade Forex today in 2022 May the 26th. Right, if you can hear me clearly, give me a hi. All right, okay. Thank you so much guys. Okay, so yesterday I guess we have a good day, and I also hope that today everyone will be able to reset your mind. Okay, don't expect that we are actually going to grab any good profits. Okay, like pound yen, euro yen, Aussie franc. Okay, so yep, just keep your mind neutral. All right, just keep it neutral, and we are able to continue to look at the market, to study the market carefully, look out for what is going to happen in the situation. Then we decide how to trade. All right. Okay. Yes, that's right. Hubert, nice to see you here. Flora, thank you for coming back. And Carol, Reina, sorry, not Reina, Rian, okay, and Roger, Riano, Leonard, yes, CK, Aiden, Trinette, Bradley, Fed. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, all right. Okay. Sounds like I'm taking attendance. Okay. Yes. Okay. So thank you for following. Okay. So yeah. So in this video today we are going to plan out what are we going to trade. Okay. So of course, can I have the MT4 please? Right. So yeah, just start off with our Aussie cat. Let's start off with our Aussie cat here. All right. Aussie cat. Let us do it quickly so that we have more time later on to go live and study the market. All right, live. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay, so Aussie cat today. Well, let's see what do we have here. First of all, let's take a look. What trend are we in? Okay, identify the trend first. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so identify the trend first. Then later on we'll see what do we have, and we decide to go. So first of all, downward trend as we can see. Okay, 1, 2. All right, so we have from this area here. This is into the bear zone here. So bear zone, we have one wave, second wave, and now coming as a lower resistance. Am I right? Okay, so today what am I going to do is that we are going to sell Aussie CAD. All right, so if we're going to sell Aussie CAD, of course, what are we going to look out for? Selling resistance. Good. Selling at the resistance level. Okay, so this is the resistance level. For such a situation like this, the resistance level, as you can see over here. Okay, let me zoom in. This is the resistance level. As you can see here, one left shoulder, the head, and coming on the right shoulder. Am I right? So over here, what am I going to see is that there's a lower resistance. We are in the resistance area already. Okay, already. So over at this point, where is the support? Where is the support level? All right, where is the support area? The support area we are going to look out is somewhere here. Okay, this is the support area that I'm looking out for. All right, so somewhere that we're going to take a look. We have about 30 pips to go. All right, so over in this H1, oh, the selling signal is already here. Aussie CAD, the selling signal is already here, right? So looks good. Now looks good. Okay. So in M5, okay, same. Now it's coming right, but looks like some support is there. So we have missed one round of trigger here. Okay, so never mind. Okay, so just be patient to wait for the next round. Okay, so just be patient. The resistance is up here, so probably it may climb to test the resistance once again. We do not know, but however, like I say, it's already in the selling mode now. Okay, so it is still good. Okay, so I'm going to put this Aussie CAD into my selling watch list. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. Aussie franc. How about Aussie franc over here? Aussie franc. We are now in the selling same thing. We are in the selling. All right. So we are in the bear, going to sell. So looking at Aussie franc, this is good. The selling, the resistance, oh, stays the same. Okay, it's the same. All right. So over here, there is something that I would like to highlight is that okay, over here we are actually breaking the support from yesterday, the day before. Okay, so as we can see in this area, okay, it looks like a inverse. Okay, inverse. Okay, there's a left shoulder, an inverse left shoulder, and coming for inverse of a right shoulder. So probably it will still continue the selling. All right, but we just need to be very careful, making sure it breaks the support and coming back to retest the support as a resistance, then we can sell. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm going to put Aussie franc once again into my list. Okay, so yeah, let's watch this, huh? Okay, สวัสดีครับ168 Okay, สบายดีไหม Okay, so over here, let's see. Okay, Aussie yen, Aussie yen, Aussie yen. We are now also testing on. Okay, now going on a bear trend. So we are going to sell. So Aussie yen, we are going for selling. So what are we going to look out for? We are going to look out for resistance. Correct? Okay, so resistance. The resistance over here, very obvious. Okay, very obvious. The resistance over here is over here, right up here. Okay, so now where's the support? Support down here, very obvious. Okay, there's a support over here in this area. So we are in the middle, correct? In the middle, we have about 40 pips to go. So there is something that we need to take note. Okay, it has tested once in the resistance and now coming down one wave of lower resistance. So there's already a selling trend. So how? I'm going to wait for another round of selling, then I start to sell. Okay, so Aussie yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list as well. Okay, hi Quack, how are you? Okay, so I hope things goes well. Right, so Aussie Kiwi over here. Aussie Kiwi. Aha. Aussie Kiwi over here. Are we going into a selling now? All right. Aussie Kiwi. Okay. At the moment, I would say that this part here. Okay, we are actually coming soon for the selling. Since Aussie Kiwi yesterday, we actually managed to test on this, and after that, it started to sell down. So today is actually breaking through the support that we actually plotted yesterday. Okay, so it's quite good over here right now. It's retesting the support as a resistance. Now, this part here is quite tricky. Okay, however, we can still trade, but make sure you are trading below the support level as a resistance. Okay, so this is another one. Wow, Aussie Kiwi, goodness, today the Aussie is very weak. So looking at this, it seems like it's already in the selling. So one round have missed, I guess. Okay, so probably we got to wait for another round. All right. So let's wait for another round. Okay, but Aussie Kiwi looks potential to me. Okay, but of course, looking at this big selling over here because of the high impact news the day before, right? So it's also something that it's not the day before. Sorry, it's yesterday morning, huh? So something that we need to pay attention to because it may start to recover the losses as well. So it's something that we need to pay attention, although I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay. Okay. So today, Aussie Kiwi, right? Aussie has been climbing for quite a while. So I guess it's about time. Okay. So we should be looking at something, yeah, from Aussie Kiwi. All right. Okay. So next to go is let's talk about this Aussie dollar. One from here we have a lower resistance, actually coming down, as you can see, very straightforward. As you can see, it's a downward trend, correct? Yeah. So 1, 2, and coming, right? So there's one to go. Okay, let's take a look. So downward trend. Since that is the downward trend, I'm looking out for resistance. So as you can see, for Aussie dollar, it has been hovering for the past few days. Okay, over in this area from here to here. Okay, and it is still there. It is still not breaking the support. So very likely it's going to retrace upwards. Am I right? Okay, so in this case, okay, Aussie dollar, is it going to become a bull, or will it become a retesting of the bull zone here? Okay, so we have no idea yet, but I will say that I will see that is the situation currently is going for a retesting. It's going for a retesting. So how do we actually going to trade with this? Right. So first of all, the support level, as you can see, the previous support level touches the most over here. That it is still stands here. Aussie dollar, I'm going to wait for it to break the support. After breaking the support, okay, then I will start selling. Okay, remember Aussie dollar, break the support. Then I will start selling. All right. Okay, so next to go. Euro Aussie, all right. According to the theory, since Aussie is weak, Euro should be rising. Okay, so this is already on the rise. It's already in the bull. So Euro Aussie today very likely is going for a buy. So seller stay away. Okay, all right. Seller stay away. So let's move with Euro CAD. Euro CAD over here. So Euro CAD today we are still in the bear transition, but we are at the doorstep to the bull. Doorstep to the bull. Okay, so this is something that we are going to be very careful, observe it and not trading it. All right. Okay, so Euro Pound. Let's move Euro Pound. Like I said, the situation now, tentatively, I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to stay away. All right. So Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Let's take a look at Euro Yen. Will there be a chance like yesterday? We have a good drop. Okay, so let's see. After the drop and it started to climb up as a higher support. Although yesterday we still managed to capture some. All right, so let's take a look. Yesterday, as a whole, we managed to complete the blue box here. As I say, the blue box is my profitable space, correct? So the price here from yesterday, when it came down over here, I was saying that, okay, this blue box here is our profitable space. So from here to here is about 60 pips, 60 to 70 pips. It depends where did you enter, and managed to complete. Yes, successfully. Eric, well done. Okay, give myself a round of applause. All right. Okay, so yes, then what happened now? What happened now? Are we going to continue the selling, or are we going to buy, or are we going to give a halt today? I would say that today, all right, today as of looking at this, all right, the selling over here, okay, I would say very likely is going to pause. It's going to pause for a while. Okay, it's going to pause for a while. Okay, so looking at H4 over here, H4. Since we are going to pause for a while, I'm going to plot this resistance up here. Okay, where the resistance over here, it has the most touches. Okay, I guess now we are pushing to the resistance, to test the resistance. Okay, as we can see, why do I say so? It's because from here, higher support, and higher support has started to build up since yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, at the second half of the day, it started to build up the higher support, which actually gives us the signal, the strength of buying to break the resistance. So let's wait, correct? We're happily selling, correct, for the past 2 days, but not today. Okay, so get a hold of yourself, okay, monitor before we take action. All right, so Euro, yeah, I'm going to give this a miss today. Okay, Euro Kiwi. We are in the bull, so bull is going to start running. So buyers, take note, sellers, stay away. All right. So Euro dollar. Let's take a look at Euro dollar. All right, Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar. We are now actually going into the bull. Okay, I will read this as a bull. So right now, I'm reading this Euro dollar is going to bull market. So it's actually into the bull market now. hey, Eric, it's selling down already. Why do you say that it's a bull market? Don't you call that this is actually a lower resistance? It looks like, but however, okay, it hits onto my bull zone here. Now it retraces upwards and is breaking out of the transition area. Okay, so this is not good. So it is starting to go into the bull. All right, so this is something that we need to pay attention. However, it may still come back to retest. Okay, it may still come back to retest. So let's take a look. This is the resistance, no change, correct? So after that, it's coming back to retest. As of yesterday, it retested the support but got rejected out. So today it may come back to retest the support again. Correct? To retest the support once again. So I will say, okay, if this support, okay, this support, if it's break, okay, if breaks the support to become a resistance to retest again, yes, maybe tomorrow or the next few days it will come back to retest the bull zone again. Right? So tentatively, still in the bull, no selling, it can be quite dangerous. Okay, so I would say that tentatively right now, as you can see, higher support again, all right, a higher low, higher lows, all the higher lows here. So this is not very ideal. Okay, not so ideal. So it's not so ideal to sell. Okay, because we are so near to the support. Okay, 17 pips is easily targeted, and the next one to go is a buying. Correct? So yeah, just stay away. All right. Okay, so next to go, Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Yes, Pound Aussie, we are still in this range, okay, ranging, right? Okay, so like I said, if in the ranging market, if you want to sell, okay, this is the place, this is the spot that you should start selling, Pound Aussie. Okay, so yes, so looking at this trend now, we are actually hitting in the bull, okay, a downward trend, okay, one wave, second wave, and third wave into the trend, into the bull, retested, and it's not breaking. So going up, hovering, right? We are now at the doorstep of the bull and the bear. So we are in the bear. We are going to open the door to become a bull after it breaks the resistance up here. So right now we are at the resistance. We are going to open the door. All right. So are we going to open the door? It depends, right? So it depends largely whether how it's going to react. So if there's a chance that of coming down for selling as another round of sideways is coming, okay, then yeah, we can sell. Yes, we can sell. Okay, it's just that the risk is higher, but we can still sell if the situation permits. Okay, if the situation permits. All right. Okay. So currently, okay, by looking at the whole of Aussie, the whole of Aussie is actually not very optimistic. It seems like it's all dropping. So Aussie is getting weak. That means to say pound may grab the opportunity to ride on the wave into the bull. So it's still something, although I say that, okay, hits when they come to sideways, you can hit here and you can sell down here. But today, the situation that the Aussie is actually getting weaker. So, for the past few days, Aussie is not so weak, but yet it's on the ranging. But today, it still seems like now, you have a chance to sell, but Aussie is weak. However, there will be time that Aussie will get stronger. Of course, then from there, then we will grab the opportunity. Okay, but tentatively, I'm not going to put Pound Aussie into my watch list, but you can pay attention to them. All right. Okay. So next to go, Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD. So Pound CAD over here. Well, Pound CAD, we are actually now moving very, very steadily to meet the bull. Okay. So steadily from the bull zone, higher support, higher support, higher support. So over here, we are also at the doorstep. So this, can you see the doorstep here is quite struggling? Can you see this wave? Okay, let me zoom out and so they can see. Yeah, selling here, selling down. Correct. So this wave. Can you see this wave? Can you see there's a curve? Okay, and this curve is a curving up now. So right now, Okay, but the curving up right now is still maintaining in the bear. So we are at the indeed we are at the doorstep. But once again, can this be a selling trade? I would say yes, we can. It's still it is still a selling trade because we have not break through the resistance yet. It's still standing a chance to sell, right? So since we are still standing a chance to sell, the resistance stands, no change. So over here, and where's the support level? The support level over here, as you can see, from here, higher support, another higher support, correct? So there's a support level here. So we have about 56 pips to go. So does it mean that we can sell? Probably yes, I would say. Okay, probably yes. Okay, if there's a chance for us to sell, all right. So right now, I will say that tentatively by looking at this resistance over here, okay, we're right in the middle. So we need to find a new selling cycle over here. From here, a new selling cycle. If we can test this resistance over here, a new selling cycle coming back again, and that will be very obvious that it should be coming back to test this support, okay, in PowerCat. So today in PowerCat, I'm going to put this PowerCat into my watch list, so we may have a chance to grab some profits from there. Okay, all right. So yep, PowerCat over here. Okay, PowerCat. All right. So next to go, PowerFranc. PowerFranc still struggling around this area. Yesterday it managed to go below, okay, but it pushes up very easily. So I guess for PowerFranc, I think it's not very fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss. All right. Okay. So Power Yen. Let's take a look at Power Yen. Yes. Okay. Hi, Susanna. Yes. Nice to see you here. All right. Power Yen. Let's take a look. Okay. Power Yen. Power Yen. Oh yeah, Power Yen. It looks so familiar, huh? All right. Everybody is excited about Power Yen. Will there be a chance to sell again? I will say that probably yes and probably no. All right. Why is that so? Well, downward trend. We are still in the downward trend. We are still selling. Okay, so it's still good. It's just that now it's still testing. It's going to test. It's going to test on the resistance over here. As of this morning, it has a test. It went up, trying to test on the resistance, but failed. So it's coming down, but very slow. Okay, very slow. Okay, so over at this point, okay, and it has a push. Will there be another higher support, a higher lows here to push up to meet the resistance? Okay, probably. Okay, probably. So we have about 97 pips. Okay. So yesterday, same thing. The support was here. I was saying that 158.820, correct? Okay. So once again, give myself a round of applause. Why? Okay, because it hits on my targeted, projected, okay, level and started to retrace. Okay, happy. Okay, I'm happy because the market go according to my plan. All right. So yes. Okay. So now, as in Power Yen, if we are going to look out for selling, okay, I would say that we have to be more patient. We have to be patient. Okay, over here, selling is possible today. Okay, selling is still possible, but the thing is that okay, we are at the verge of forming up a higher support, a higher lows to meet the resistance. So we are somewhere like the door opening to the bull. You know, we are at the doorstep. So, but this doorstep is the higher support. Okay, so we have to be very careful. All right, we got to be very careful because after the selling off, you know, from the day before that we have the PMI. After the great selling off and retest once again, yes, managed to capture some. Then they recovered the losses from the day before, correct? The loss from the losses. So it looks like but ultimately the trend is still on the selling trend. So Are we going to sell? We still have chance to sell, but it may not be as volatile as the last 2 days. Okay, so selling signal was here, okay, 1 hour ago, right? So managed to capture some about 28 pips, but then I mean if you manage to capture some, but now, okay, let's take a look at where the support is for this instance. Okay, for this instance, by looking at this part here, okay, I'm going to plot the support level here. I'm going to plot the support level here. Why is that here? Is because, as you can see, if you look carefully, this is actually more or less like a, you know, the support was started from here, okay, and that which actually yesterday we actually plotted this as a resistance, and that's where we start selling, correct? So today is actually it breaks, so-called it breaks through that resistance, okay, and it actually coming back sell as a retesting of the level, the previous resistance, to become a support. If it's retesting on this support and forming up a new buying signal cycle in H1, going to hit this and become a buying signal, then forget about it. It's going to test the resistance. Okay, so it's neither here nor there for pound yen, right? It's neither here nor there. For me, if I'm going to trade pound yen today, I'm going to make sure it breaks. All right, it breaks the support to form up a new resistance below, then I will start selling. Okay, we have chance. Yes, I'm going to put this pound yen into shut. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to accidentally. Okay, accidentally. Let me do it again. All right. Okay. Aussie yen, Kiwi, Aussie dollar. If you're looking at my camera, you should be laughing at my reaction now. Huh? All right. Okay. All right. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen I'm going to put into my watch list because it's quite near to the support. We are only about 12 pips to go to break the support, to form a new resistance below the support, then we sell. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my list. Pound Kiwi, we are in the bull, all right, in the bull. So the bull retraced down, finally it hits on it tested, now it's going up. Okay, so definitely no. Okay, so buyers can take note, but no for sellers. All right. So pound dollar, how about pound dollar? Pound dollar, yes, pound dollar. Are we good for selling? Pound dollar, okay. One time, let's take a look from this wave riding down, okay, into the bull zone here. Okay, as you can see, the bull zone. So now it hits back and retrace upwards to the door between the bull and the bear once again. So it's between the bull and the bear now. So since it's actually here, the resistance, okay, to be exact, okay, right here, I'm going to put this here, okay. So as you can see, all right, so I'm ready to sell today. I'm ready to sell because it's actually showing me that it doesn't seem like it's going to go into the bull yet. Okay, so before I go into the bull, I still have a good chance to sell. All right. Although for the past 4 hours, past 3 hours, we actually have a good chance to sell from here. Okay, but then again, let's be patient to wait for another wave. All right, another wave, a lower resistance that's going to happen around here. Okay, it's around here, the lower resistance. So after that, then I will start selling. Okay, so where's the support level? Support level, no change, still remains the same. Okay, so I'm going to put this pound dollar into my list. Okay, I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list. All right. Okay, so pound dollar. Yes. Okay, guys, by the way, up to here, I'm requesting you to give me a punch on the thumbs up. Give me a like on my video to show your appreciation. All right. Okay, thank you so much for that thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much. If you have already punched the like button, all right, please comment a thumbs up. Okay, leave a thumbs up in the comment box for me. All right, thank you so much. Okay, So dollar CAD coming along, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD, we are still in the midst of up and down. Whether are we going anywhere? I would say no. All right, I would say no. So stay away first. Dollar franc, are we in the selling? Yes, but today not good for selling because it started to retrace upwards. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we have a 1, 2. So I'm still waiting. Okay, so we have a one round higher support. Okay, another round coming for a higher high. So I'm going to wait for this to become a higher high, where I'm going to, this is a trending market, correct? It's a trending market. So right now over here, this is my resistance. Okay, this is my resistance. So dollar franc, we do have a chance to sell. However, let's wait for it to test on the resistance before we start to sell. However, dollar franc, it is a retracement trading. Okay, retracement trading wise, then is it good for us to trade? I think not really for many people out there. So today, maybe we can give this a miss. Okay, let's give this a miss first before we take action, so that we know, okay, that this may not be the right time. Okay, so just give this a miss first. Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen is still struggling in this area. Okay, so looks like selling, but then again, I would say that, yeah, since I'm going to sell, but it's not selling today, and currently it's going to have a retracement. The retracement should end about around this purple line here. Okay, so I'm going to wait. Okay, I'm going to wait. All right, so that's all. Then Bitcoin. How about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin over here. Well, Bitcoin, I guess tentatively, I think we are going to see a surge in the Bitcoin. So as there's a approval to really salvage the system for this Terra, okay, the Luna coin. Okay, so probably it will salvage the whole. It will give a confident boost, okay, to the cryptocurrency. Okay, so likely I would say that 32 is still a targeted price that is very likely to hit, okay, in no time. Okay, so for people who are going to buy for crypto, okay, I would say 32 is the mark. Okay, then probably after that, let's see if it can pass through the test, and then it will start to go further up. So tentatively, yeah, that is all for today in this session. All right, so let's see what do we have here. Okay, and oh, pound dollar is selling down. Okay, pound dollar is already selling down. So yeah, let's hope that the pound dollar will give us some chance later on to retrace upwards a bit, give us a new cycle of selling once again before you are gone. All right. Okay. Let's see what do we have to sell today. Right. We have Aussie CAD, Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, and Aussie dollar, pound CAD, pound yen, and pound dollar. All right. Okay, guys. Right. Pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. Pound yen is selling down, which is good. Let's wait for it to break the support. Okay, so be patient. Right. Thank you so much for coming in. Remember to click on the like button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will get more goodies, all right, from my explanation, from my analysis, and also ring up the bell so that you get the updated videos from me, right? I shall see you later. Okay, I shall see you later in the live trading session. All right. Thank you, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.